Hey everybody, thanks for joining me on my channel today with AmysCreativeAcrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I am going to do a pour. This is on a 12 by 16 inch Artist Loft canvas. I am going to do white from my base, and that's Artist Loft's white flow. I'm going to use, this is Rustoleum's metallic Glacier blue. I always forget that when I show it. I'm using Blinkrylic's Florescent blue, Blinkrylic's violet, or Florescent violet, sorry, Decoart's Sapphire, Deep Sapphire, and then Decoart's metallic 24 karat gold. And my Shmear color will be Amsterdam's titanium white. I hope everybody is doing well, and I appreciate you guys joining me today for my video. I hope you guys will come back again, and I'm working on getting up to 1,000. I'm a little over 900 now, so if you know anybody who likes to watch these videos and you think they'll enjoy mine, please share. I do appreciate all of your guys' support and your amazing comments. They're so nice, always. You guys are so nice all the time, and I appreciate that. Alright, so I want to have a little bit of negative space, but I think what I'm going to do is just kind of pour I don't know, in a bubble or puddle bubble, and then kind of move it around and see what we get.
Drumming on the beat. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me, I like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighthouse from the ocean. I sell them my devotion and so my thoughts. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I found a rainbow in the shade, the shadiest of places, a better one I saw. I said,
So I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. I love these colors. I love the darkness on the outside of the deep sapphire with the negative white space. So the metallic is the sapphire, and then of course the 24 karat gold. I think I'm gonna have to change my setting here. All right, so I'm gonna bring it on for a close-up, but I love how this deep sapphire, the darkness, like surrounds all the other colors with the white negative space. I just think it's so pretty. Oops, sorry about that. So the metallic colors are the deep sapphire, and then of course the metallic gold, and then also the Glacier blue, this light blue there in the middle. We got some cool cells, some awesome lacing going on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You'll have to let me know what you think in the comments below. And I hope you guys will come back and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified. I put up videos every Sunday and Wednesday, and then some random ones here and there. And yeah, I hope you guys will come back again. It's really pretty. But I hope everybody is being healthy and safe from COVID. Just healthy in general. I appreciate you guys watching. Have a good day. Have a good evening. And keep being creative. Bye.